Hey there everyone, so I am here to check out the full video, the SKZ-PLAYER for Railway. And I do not feel ready for this. I'll be completely honest. Especially not after clicking on the video and seeing an age rating of 15. As I mentioned for the unveil, I at least planned to mention it for the unveil. I hope I did so. Do I think that this is going to be the complete same vibe as the stage performance? No. I don't think so. I think, if anything, it's gonna be... It has probably been made to tell a deeper story than the stage performance can, because this is a movie medium, like a video medium, so you have a bigger possibility to tell a deeper story. So I think it's more made to tell the deeper story to complement the stage performance. Does that mean I'm not nervous for whatever is gonna be going on for this? No. Because that 30-second unveil, he was bias wrecking me so bad, you wouldn't believe. And it's also really unfair because Felix is my bias, and he has been that for a long while now, but my original bias and the one who brought me into Stray Kids is this man. So whatever he has planned here, I feel like I'm in danger. Well, from the unveil, which I just rewatched before jumping into this, just to have it fresh in my memory, it looks like this is very dark themed. It doesn't look to be necessarily sexual, sensual, which the vibe of the song very much is like the sound of the song. It's very much a sensual vibe. Doesn't seem like the video is going to go in that direction. It looks to be like thriller-ish. Not necessarily a thriller, but that could also explain the age rating. But it looks like it's either vampire or werewolf. I guess we'll see when we go through the video. I would lean towards wolf mostly because of like its representative animal, but who knows, maybe he went completely in a different direction for this. But it looks to be like some werewolf or vampire-ish something in this video. So I'm really excited to see it. I'm also really excited to see if we get some acting from him. I would love to see some acting from him, to be honest. See what he can do with that. So I'm excited, but I'm scared. So yeah, let's jump into it. Let's rip off the band-aid and just jump into it. Okay, let's go. Okay. Jesus Christ. Okay. Yeah, that's definitely vampire. Oh, Jesus Christ! Oh, jeez. Okay. Wow, with that contact in as well, that is... Whoa. Ooh. Okay. John! Okay. I can breathe. Fucking hell! No. No. What? Did he just do what I think he does? What he said? Oh, I can't even speak. Did he just do what I think he did? No. I'm scared to press play again. Jesus! Fucking hell! What? He's battling himself? And you see the shoes in the foreground here? This is from the perspective of like the dark Chan. He's still alive. Watching him just like... What? What? Well, that was definitely a whole story there. Why does he look so good as a vampire? Why does he look so good with blood spatter all over? I feel like... I have read way too many, like, vampire AUs throughout my years in fandom for this to feel normal. Like, forget touching grass, I'm gonna go roll on the lawn. Are you kidding me? I cannot even put words to describe what that made me, like, even the violent parts. Well, that is the first time this is going to be on the internet. My friends know this about me, but Jesus Christ! Well, he can't save me even if he was real. It was a, like, freaking cool video. and like visually very, very stunning, like very stylized. I'm trying so hard to just stay objective and say some objectively nice things, because what is going on up here is feral. Ah, jeez, okay. Yeah. And that is the man who said he wanted reactions videos for his music video. He knew all of Stay would go crazy like this. That man is a menace, but he's so kind and he's so shy about it usually, so it goes under the radar, but he is a menace and he knows what he's doing. He knows what he's doing. Well, what a way to end the video. That is so much. That has got to be the reason why they chose to release these in reverse age order, because I cannot see a reason why they wouldn't just release them in either in age order or in the order they were on the track list. But no, we do it in reverse age order. Why? So we can end on this. A very, very, very unholy video for Christmas time. Like, I don't know about across the world. Like, I know around the world, a lot of places celebrate Christmas on the 25th. Here in Denmark, where I'm from, we celebrate on the 24th, but the 25th and the 26th are both holidays as well, called First Christmas Day and Second Christmas Day. So technically we're still in the Christmas holidays for me, which is technically, like right now it's just tradition here in Denmark, but technically, like, it is Christian holidays, and this is a very non-Christian video. So I just love that it's the most, like, depraved, sinful video gets released the day after people celebrate Christmas around the world. Congrats, John. I should say Christopher, because that is definitely Christopher, because Jesus Christ. Oh, I'm just gonna keep rambling. So yeah, thanks for watching my meltdown. I'm gonna want to crawl in a hole trying to edit this video, but yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one, whenever that may be, whenever I've recovered, because Jesus Christ. Bye.